Once upon a time. It was a village guarded by gentle, caring angels. These angels had shimmering wings that sparkled in the daylight and glowed softly at night, lighting up the sky with their celestial beauty. In this village lived a curious little girl named Lily. She was known for her boundless curiosity and kind heart. Lily had heard stories about the angels, but had never seen one. As Lily wandered through the village, where she saw a group of angels, their wings fluttering gracefully. One of the angels, noticing Lily, approached her with a smile that felt like sunshine. "Hello, young one," the angel greeted her. The angel, named Aurora, offered Lily a tour of their enchanted village. As they walked together, Aurora shared stories of how angels protected the people. Lily was amazed by their selflessness and asked, "How do you always know when someone needs help?" Aurora explained, "We listen with our hearts." As the sun began to set, Aurora gently escorted Lily back to the meadow. Before bidding farewell, Aurora handed Lily a small, glowing feather. "This feather holds a bit of angelic magic," Aurora said softly. "Use it to spread kindness and bring smiles to those around you." Lily returned home and shared her experiences with her family and friends.